So, we're using long division. How do I set it up? Which one goes on the outside? And negative 4 plus m goes on the outside. And how do I have to write it? M minus 4. Right? We got to put everything in order. And then, what am I writing underneath here? What's going first? Very good. M to the 4th. Then what? Minus 4, m to the 3rd. Woo! There it is. Found the poltergeist. Don't worry about it, guys. All good. Plus
0m squared.
Very nice. 0m squared plus 3m minus 7. That is an m, not an n. All right. Very nice. Okay. So from here, I swear there's ghosts, guys. It's a real thing. What do I do next? What am I honing in and focusing on first? This guy and this guy. Good. And we're, right, this is division, so we're dividing them. You start off division by dividing. Right? So what does that leave me with? M cubed. And where does it need to go? Over the m cubed. This is all about organization. Okay? So m to the 3rd. Now what do I do? Going to multiply m to the 3rd with that m minus 4. Okay? If you need to pull this out to the side and distribute it first to kind of keep you on track, you totally can. Right? What's this going to give me? M to the 4th minus 4 m to the 3rd. Okay. So m to the 4th minus 4 m to the 3rd. Now what? Subtract. So we got to change our sign. So Miss Hannah's going to change her color. Subtract, add. Okay. What happens? That guy cancels out. This guy becomes 0. Okay. Now what? Bring it down and start all over, right? This one's going to be riveting. It's lots of zeros, right? We're still going to go through the process, though, right? So I'm taking this 0m to the 3rd, and I'm dividing it by just the m, which gives me 0m squared. And then that same process, right? I'm just going to show the steps for good measure. We're going to take that 0m squared we just found, and we're going to distribute it back to see what's left over. That's what division is all about. How many times can I evenly cut this into this many pieces? What's left over? That's what division is, right? Lots of zeros. Ooh, how riveting. 0 again. Who's excited? Bring it down and start all over. So what's the next part going to be? 0, yeah, same thing, right? This guy, now I'm running out of space, which is going to give you what? 0m, so this guy just tucks up here. Same deal. We know when we distribute it, it's going to be 0 again, right? I guess I should probably change my signs for good measure. But now we finally get a number again. So what do we do now? Which gives us 3. You don't have to do this side work if you don't want to. It's just helping you get the process down. Okay? I know a lot of this can be done in your head. What do I get here? Go through and distribute that guy for me. Three m minus 12. Right? These guys should always knock out if it works out right. That is still the same color, even though it says it's a different color. That's creepy. Wow, the ghosts are serious today, guys. Alright. So what am I left with? 5. So how do I write that? So if you wanted to shorten this up and give me a nice, concise answer, what would you tell me? M cubed plus 3
plus 5 over
That's a beautiful final answer. If I asked you, tell me 2 things you know about this, what would you tell me? It is not a factor. 4 is not the 0.
and a point on the graph is 4, 5.
And a coordinate on the graph is positive 4, 5. Very nice. Yeah? How you feeling? Yeah?